So you can get the screw in, start to the line.
All right, so tell me what you're working on here.
We're working on this truck right here. We're trying to put we put this on, and we're gonna put the brakes now on it, and hopefully this thing gets all put back together.
Stop. Stop. Okay. Let up. Break. Let the break.
We gotta get the
Stop.
one more, guys. Get in here. Yeah, give me a little hammer. Check on everything. We gotta push these in right here to get the brakes on. So Josh, go get me those. Can you hold this right here? And I'll go get them. Alright, that's fine. You can take that off. It should hold it right there.
He actually replaced this whole drum system, the bearing had went out on this side. So we went ahead and checked the other side, it was fine. The reason he's replacing the brake pads is because the brake pads were very heated and they're over half wore out, so there was no sense putting them back on. I would impact that on there.
Go ahead.
Can't turn it to impact it. Because that bad boy will come loose. He's actually a third-year student. He'll take his ASCs and leave here certified this year.
Awesome. Certified, huh, Victor?
Yeah. So
All
I'm
right.
calling.
What are you going to do after high school?
Well, the plan is to maybe join the military. That's hopefully.
That's the number one thing downtown that they forget to do. That's a high temp grease that won't melt away at 15 to 1700 degrees. So it keeps it sliding so you don't wear your brakes out. A lot of people just put the pads on. It don't last. It comes with the lube. It's telling you to do it, but nobody reads directions. What he's doing there is giving the pistons something to keep them bonded to the pad, because you hear brakes squeak all the time. That's because, flip it over, there you go. There you go. The pistons, it's like putting your finger on the water of glass, you know, and rubbing it. That sound you're going to get, well, that's the same thing. If you got the grease in between it and the pad, you won't get the sound.